Welcome friends, we will continue with these methods of integration. In that, today we are going to learn about certain integration techniques using the trigonometric functions. Trigonometric functions what you learned or you have been learning in your second and first PUCs or in CBSE 12 standards. Basically sin 2a, 2 sin a cos a and sin 3a, 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. Sin a plus sin b is equal to 2 sin a plus b by 2 cos a minus b by 2. These formulae all are going to be utilized now. So better I feel one list will make of all these trigonometric functions, and then we'll continue with the sums. Let us go to the whiteboard. Yeah, today what we are going to do, integration using trigonometric functions. Integration using trigonometric functions. Okay, so now let us start. The first one, what we know, sin 2a. Sin 2a, you are very well familiar, I feel. It is called 2 sin a cos a. Cos 2a, 2 cos square a minus 1, or you can write this 1 minus 2 sin square a, or cos square a minus sin square a. So cos 2a is having these three formulas. You have to remember these three. Next, tan 2a, 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square a. These are all for 2a. Now we will write for the 3a. Sin 3a. Sin 3a is equal to 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. Cos 3a. 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. Tan 3a. 3 tan a minus 4 tan cube a. Here tan 3a is equal to 3 tan a tan 3a minus, here we'll, minus 3 minus tan cube a divided by 1 minus 3 tan square a. Tan 3a formula, tan a minus tan 3x minus tan 1 minus 3 tan square a, correct only. This I'll just verify once. I'll come back to you later. Next, sin a plus b sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Sin of a minus b. These formulas I'm listing out here because they're essential now for you. Then cos of a plus b cos of a minus b Next, sin a plus sin b, 2 sin a plus b by 2 cos a minus b by 2. 2 next sin A minus sin B, 2 sin A minus B by 2 cos of A plus B by 2, cos A minus cos B minus 2 sin A plus B by 2 sin A minus B by 2, cos A plus cos B, 2 sin, here 2 cos A plus B by 2, cos of A minus B by 2. So many formulas are there. All these formulas, one or the other way, they'll be useful in our sums. Please try to remember now. Let us solve the first sum. From your NCERT exercise only I'm doing this. Yeah. Integral from NCERT 12th standard. From this chapter. So what is the first sum? Integral cos square x dx. This is the sum. So now in our formulas, we have used cos 2x formula. Cos 2x is equal to 2 cos square x minus 1. So here cos square x we have to replace by this substitution. Minus 1 you send towards the left hand side. It becomes plus 1. Okay. Then divide by 2 so that we will get the cos x. Sorry, cos square x. So in the place of cos square x here, you write down 1 plus cos 2x by 2 or cos 2x plus 1 by 2, both are same. So now you can distribute 1 by 2 dx cos 2x by 2 dx. These two you should not forget. This is x by 2. This is sin 2x cos 2x integration. I think we have already done. It is called as sin 2x by 2. So sin 2x by already 1 2 is there. This 2 and that 2 will be multiplying with each other. So C is constant. Constant. Followed, no? So we have to use this formula now. Trigonometric functions, this formula. Next sum. Sin 2x cos 3x. Sin 2x cos 3x dx. So this one, how do we do? We know that sin of a plus b, because here sin a cos b, like that this form, this is appearing now. So now sin of a plus b formula you take. Sin a, correct, sin a cos b or one thing we'll do. This one, we will use this formula. Instead of using sin of a plus b, we can use sin of a plus b, correct one, we'll do correct what we are doing, plus cos a sin b. Sin of a minus b you take. Sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. So if you add sin of a plus b plus sin of a minus b, what you are going to get? Left hand side when you add, right hand side, this and this will get cancelled. You will get only 2 sin a cos b. So if you want sin a cos b from this, you just divide this right left hand side by 2. So sin of a plus b plus sin of a minus b, whole thing divided by 2. This is nothing but your 2 sin a cos b. So here you are having exactly sin a cos b. So apply this formula now. Sin of a plus b, a means here 2x, b means 3x. So sine of a plus b means 2x plus 3x. Sine of 2x minus 3x whole dx. This is a working actually. Then here sine 5x minus y minus 2x minus 3x will become sine of minus x. Sine of minus x means minus sine x. Integral sine 5x dx minus sine x dx. Sine 5x dx is nothing but minus cos 5x by 5. Here minus integral sine x means minus cos x. So that minus and this minus will become plus. So sum is over. So here by 2 we have forgotten to write. Here by 2 will be there. So that half you bring it outside. Half is common to both. Then this same half you retain outside. Sum is over. So this 2 you should not forget. Please try to remember and write down. Then next time let us try integral sine cube x. So cube came here. So sine 3a formula we should use. Sine 3a or 3x write down. Sine 3x is equal to 3 sine x minus 4 sine cube x. This is the formula. So now what you do, this is 4 sine cube x, bring this side, take sine 3x that side. So 4 sine cube x will become plus now, like this. Divide by 4, 3 sine x minus sine 3x, whole thing divided by 4. So in the place of sine cube x now, this substitution we have to put. We have converted sine cube x like that. So now we distribute the integration to each term. Okay, sine 3x by 4 dx. So sine x difference integration, minus cos x. So minus 3 cos x by 4. Here minus cos 3x by 3. Already one 4 is here. So here integral sine 3x is nothing but minus cos 3x by 3. That you should remember. So minus into minus plus cos 3x by 3 into 4. 12 I am writing plus c. Simple sum, remember. Sine cube x integral sine cube x plus cos cube x divided by sine square x cos square x. Okay. This sum we can do in many methods. What I do, I'll make it simple for you. I'll distribute the LCM in this fashion without much complication. Like this also we can do this. You can use the sine 3a formulas. But now I am making it slightly simpler. Then here sine square x will go in sine cube x one time. So sine x will remain. Cos square x will go in this one time. So you are now left with top numerator sin x dx divided by cos square x, cos x dx divided by sin square x. So now let us go to the substitution method. Put cos x is equal to, here since there are two, one you call as u. Other we can call as t. So minus sin x dx will become du. Okay, no? Now in this case, put cos x is equal, sin x is equal to t. Denominator, second integral I am writing. So this will become now cos x dx will become dt. So now for this, what will happen? Sin x minus sin x dx is equal to du. So that means sin x dx is equal to in minus of du divided by u square. Cos square x is there here. Plus integral cos x dx is dt divided by t square. Now integral u square means minus u to the power of minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1 for this. Here t to the power of minus 2 plus 1 minus 2 plus 1 plus c, because integral 1 by u square means you can take u to the power of minus 2 will become, we take it to the numerator. So you can use power formula minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1 minus u to the power of minus 1 divided by minus 1 plus t to the power of minus 1 divided by minus 1. So here what is happening? This minus into this minus will become plus. So 1 by u here minus 1 by t. 1 by u means what? 1 by cos x minus 1 by sin x plus c. This also you can write 1 by cos x means secant cosecant. 1 by sin means, okay. So substitution we have done like this. This is also correct, no doubt. Next. Next question, you will see. These are all from our NCERT book only. Integral cos 2x, cos 4x, cos 6x dx. So now here we are supposed to apply the formula of 2 cos A cos B. 2 cos A cos B formula. What is the formula now? Cos of A plus B, cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B. If you do this, you will be getting the what answer? Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. That is for first one. For the second one, cos A cos B, cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. This is for what? For cos of A minus B. So in both places, cos sin A sin B get cancelled. So you are left with only 2 cos A cos B. So therefore, if a function is there, 2 cos A cos B, then you can write it as cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B. Here, cos 2x cos 4x we will take right now. Cos 2x cos 4x and then cos 6x. How will we write now? This one, since 2 cos A cos B is this one, cos A cos B is equal to entire thing divided by 2. So you can write here half outside. Cos of first A plus B, 2x plus 4x, 6x. Next plus cos of A minus B, 2x minus 4x, that is cos of minus 2x. Okay, this entire thing into cos 6x is there. Put bracket like this. This half is applicable to this. Then half into cos 6x you add to become cos square 6x. Cos of minus 2x is called cos 2x. So this half cos 2x cos 6x. So now let us come back again. This integration symbol is there. So then first one, half open the bracket, cos square 6x. Cos square 6x you can write down as 1 plus cos 12x by 2. This cos square 6x can be written like this. Integral symbol, cos square 6x. How will you write? Cos 2a formula I told you, 2 cos squared a minus 1. There 1 plus cos 2a by 2. Here a is called 6x for you. Angle A given here 6x. So 2a will become 12x. So 1 plus cos 12x by 2. Then plus this side will come now. Here cos 2x cos 6x. Again same formula. What is that formula? Cos of first addition, that is 8x, plus subtraction 4x. Whole thing divided by 2. So now next step. Half into, this is integral symbol, bracket, integral 1 by 2 dx, integral cos 12x by 2 dx. This 2 you bring it outside here, 1 by 4, integral cos 8x dx plus 1 by 4 integral cos 4x dx. See here carefully, you have to do the sum without mistakes. Cos 2x, cos 6x, when you apply the formula, it became cos 8x and cos 4x with plus sign in between. Half is outside, this half came from here, which is a common half from the beginning. This 2 is coming in the new formula. So 2 into 2 will become 4. That is this 1 by 4. 1 by 4 into cos 8x, again 1 by 4 into cos 4x. So now we have to integrate each one. Half into half dx here. This 2. 1 by 2 means this 1 by 2. X by 2. First one is called x by 2. See here half is there. Half dx, x by 2. So that will become now half into x by 2. First integral is over. Next integral. Cos 12x. Cos 12x integral sin 12x by 12. Sin 12x by 12. That 12 into 2 will become 24. So here sin 12x by 12. By 12 we actually will come. Already 2 is here. 12 into 2, 24. 24. Here, remember this 2 is this 2. 1 by 2 is also there here. This 2 will come here. When you are distributing, yeah, it will come like that. So then this 2 from the formula. So here totally 4 will come here. So what happened now after integration? Totally 48 will come here. Sin 12x by 48. Next. Cos 8x. Integral cos 8x means sin 8x by 8. That means 32 will come in the denominator. Correct? Here. Plus sin 8x by 32. That is cos 8x integration sin 8x by 8. That 8 into 4. I'm telling. This one sin 4x by 4. So sin 4x by 16 will come. Yes. So this is some final answer. So you have to only be careful when you are doing the using the formula correctly. Without any mistakes you should use. Carefully you should do. There is no tension in this, but careful when you are putting half all that. Okay. Next sum, let us do one sum. What is the next sum for us? Cos 2x divided by cos x plus sin x whole square. This sum, cos 2x formulas, three formulas we written. One is 2 cos square x minus 1, 1 minus 2 sin square x, then cos square x minus sin square x. That formula I am using now here. Cos 2x can be written as cos square x minus sin square x divided by cos x plus sin x whole square. So here cos x plus sin x, cos x minus sin x, you write down, divided by cos x plus sin x whole square. So what you can do, this entire thing you can cancel out once. So you are left with in the numerator cos x minus sin x, denominator cos x plus sin x. So your substitution back. Put cos x plus sin x is equal to t. Then minus sin x plus cos x dx is equal to dt. So exactly your numerator cos x minus sin x is there. So you can write here integral dt divided by cos x plus sin x is called t. So log t plus c, that means log of cos x plus sin x plus c over. So last sum, can we try out only one sum? What is the next sum? Integral tan to the power of 4 x dx. Okay. You write it like this, tan square x into tan square x. Then this first one you write as secant squared x minus 1. First one we write it as tan square x is called secant squared x minus 1 because this is identity for you. 1 plus tan square x is equal to secant square x. So tan square x place, you write this. Then this second tan square x you retain as it is. So secant squared x tan square x minus integral tan square x dx. So here secant squared x tan square x integral. This one you write again secant squared x minus 1. So here we are repeating the sum again, tan square x minus integral secant squared x dx plus integral 1 dx. Minus into minus plus, I distributed the integration part inside. So here in this first one, put tan x is equal to t. Then secant squared x dx will become dt. Then this one no need, this is integral secant squared x will become tan x. This is x. Only the first one. This all implies now integral t square dt. Then next integration directly you write integral secant squared x. You can write directly as tan x. Next is x, all plus c. So integral t square means t cube by 3 plus tan x plus x plus c. What is t cube by 3? We'll write down the final answer here. T cube by 3 means tan cube x by 3 plus tan x plus c. So I have written this answer here. So these are all the sums that may appear in the exam sometimes. You have to be careful while subtracting or multiplying or using the trigonometric functions. Else problem will completely go wrong if you even substitute wrong in the beginning. Even though procedure wise it appears correct, yet we will run into trouble. So be careful while doing this type of sums. Thank you, friends.